It's coming out April, I think. Lovely. I love him, yeah. He's adorable.
What did you hate about him?
I don't hate anything about Akshay. I think I love him because he's he's a very together person. You know, he likes the whole unit to be together, and he's a very giving actor. He's too interested in his work. He loves his job. He keeps doing. He just wants to do more and more. I love the guy. He's very good to work with. मुन्ना भाई 3 की बातें हुई है, शायद हो जाएगा. Hi, Garmi. Anji.
First, could you say this, please?
Hi, I am Badshah. You are listening to East FM Kenya. अभी पीछे बोल के आया हूँ. Just. Hi, I am Badshah. You are listening to East FM Kenya's Premier Asian Mix. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Badshah, you're going to meet the Badshah of Bollywood as well. What do you have to say to him today?
My legs are shaking, bro. I'm actually introducing Sir on stage.
Wow!
What did you
Badshah,
say?
what are you
Did
going
I
to
just
say?
say that?
Yeah.
Oh my God. No, I don't know. You need to watch this. This is going to be an act and a half. Either? Yeah, this is going to be an act and a half. Sorry.
Badshah, we are in Hypa, and you know, when we talk about movies these days and also music, truly the borders have fizzled out. What do you have to say as an artist? Does it give you a lot of advantage to do different kind of genres, kind of languages?
I think good music is good music. Doesn't matter where it comes from. And we as music listeners, we don't believe in borders. Yeah.
Badshah, when you started to rap, the genre was not very present in our country. What were the challenges you faced?
No challenges at all. No challenges. You just enjoy what you do. There are no challenges. Anji.
What gave you the courage to do that, and now are you in a better space mentally, physically, spiritually?
Yeah, I'm perfect. You need courage to do everything in life. I belong to a very small place called Karampura, New Delhi City, West Delhi, and where I'm standing in IFA. It's been so many years. I'm doing this thing. What is bringing me back again and again is just courage. So, and if you talk about alcohol, you don't need courage. You have to extreme it, then you leave it. What? I think you should watch the documentary. It's coming this year on Netflix. It's a world release, not just India Netflix. They're going to release in 200 countries. So the editing is going on. I don't know when they're going to announce the date. So it's everybody you know me through my music videos, my lyrics, my performances, my wild things I've ever done, my controversies. But who's real me? Like the people who know me personally, like who I am. You're going to see that in my documentary.
Being a musician, the advent of AI these days in music is something that we're seeing continuously. As an artist, what do you want to say about it?
It's amazing, bro. Trust me. There's one little lad from Delhi. His name is Anshuman Sharma. And he did the first AI, what I heard, of Rafi Sahab and that Jodha Akbar song by Rahman sir. And that composition of Rahman sir and Rafi Sahab, he made it a remake of it. And when I heard it for the first time, I was like, what is this? This is amazing. So everything, either is tech, either is computer science, either is medical science, either is alcohol, either is party, either is study, excess of everything is bad.
There is one trend in the industry that bothers you. What is that?
Nothing.
About the industry that bothers you?
Nothing bothers me, bro.
And
life.
the music scene has changed a lot in recent years. Diljit Dosanjh is one. His name, he's representing the Indian music industry. What would you like to say and how do you look at the Indian music scene?
What Diljit did is like tremendous, and especially being as a guy from a Sikh family, we feel so proud that he made it to an international level. And as far as I know Diljit, I know him since 2009. We worked together on an album called Next Level. I composed that whole album. I lived with him for 1 year. So as far as his talent and courage and caliber concerned reflects, he can do anything bigger than this.
From then to know what has changed about Diljit.
Huh?
From then to know what has changed about him.
He's same. He's similar.
Is that what brings him success?
I think so, because he was so he was just like this. He was same. In old times, he was so hardworking, so honest, so introvert. Never used to laugh too much. Never used to talk too much. And I used to nag him a lot.
Hari Singh version 1 and Hari Singh version 2. What is difference in that?
I have 158 versions. Better than your iPhone, baby. You would just stick on 16 words.
Hi, how are you? All good, all good. Little back, Nora. यार बस यार बस सर ब्रदर अरे अरे तेरा फ्रेम इतना रे अभी नेक्स्ट मूवी में लो मैं तो थैंक यू ओ भाई ओ Ready, 1, 2, 3. Everyone, sing Nora! Nora! I'll get it for you. Okay. Nora! बोलना. Nora! जानवी यहाँ पे जी. अरे जानवी जी मुंबई से है. जानवी रुक बोल जानवी अरे अजय जी आए साथ में थोड़ा आ जाओ अरे अजय आए वही तो यहाँ पे देखो यहाँ पे मैम सामने सेंटर अरे जानवी थोड़ा आ गया अरे धक्का मत मारो प्लीज पीछे से मैम सेंटर हैप्पी बर्थडे नाइस रुको जानी जी रुको लाइट लगा ना लाइट लगा दे लाइट दे लाइट बहुत बेकार है यार बाजी सोलो एक फोटो बाजी सोलो साथ में सोलो मैम के साथ बाजी इधर बाजी सेंटर मैम आइए मेलविन द ग्रेट बाजी सोलो बाजी सेंटर सर या फोटो भी लुक गया सेंटर या आदि एक सेल्फी अब तो लेट्स गो ये फोटो भाई थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाओ ना
रेखा जी अभिषेक भाई आ जाओ साथ में अभिषेक भाई एक्सक्यूज मी मैम रेखा जी एक्सक्यूज मी रेखा जी एक फोटो रेखा जी यहाँ पर आराम से टाइम मत करो रेखा जी यहाँ पर देखो रेखा जी यहाँ देखिए रेखा जी इधर
यहाँ पे कॉर्नर पे मैम कॉर्नर पे
रेखा जी यहाँ पर
नाइस वाओ
ब्यूटीफुल
रेखा मैम लास्ट
रेखा जी यहाँ पर सर आइए ना सर आइए
वाओ आंद्रे जी
यस नाइस सेंटर बहुत रेखा मैडम यहाँ पर देखो
थैंक यू मैडम मत ना सच में मैम 11वें आप हो
आप सुन लो किसी को भी बोला नहीं
एक्चुअली मैं जाकर सुन नहीं सकती।
मैम दिस साइड। मैम यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे होल्ड आप यहाँ पे। मैम यहाँ पे सेंटर। मैम यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे। लास्ट
बाय एसीपी।
नहीं मिला। ये वहाँ नहीं चल सकती।
इधर आने चाहिए आपको।
बाय बाय।
बुर्गी बुर्गी बुर्गी
वेट 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 वेट।
बहुत चालाक शिवा इज वेरी चालाक हाँ
कम क्लोज कम क्लोज कम क्लोज। अब्दुल सोलो सोलो अब्दुल सोलो।
वेट सोलो अब्दुल लुक हियर अब्दुल कम हियर थैंक यू एसी होता पीछे इधर एसी इधर आ जाओ इधर ही रुकिए परम सुंदरी यहाँ पर देखिए नाइस लुक
नेक्स्ट मार्क।
नाइस लुक मैडम
नेक्स्ट मार्क नेक्स्ट मार्क।
This is look here.
and you have to head slowly.
Look here.
Right camera.
यहाँ पर देखिए यहाँ पर लास्ट वेट करेगा
बस यहाँ सेंटर।
स्पेशली आपके लिए आए हम।
पीछे पीछे पीछे।
रोहित आपके लिए आया हाँ उसका टिकट कैंसिल होता है हाँ प्रूफ दे दो हाँ रोहित वैसे बोल
होना चाहिए बताओ।
हाँ जी जी।
बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है ऑलवेज सुंदर
मैम यहाँ पे देखिए।
नो शेयर।
यहाँ पर देखिए नूर जी यहाँ पर देखिए
मैम यहाँ पे देखिए ना, यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे
नाइस ड्रेस
मैम यहाँ सेंटर में।
राजन पीछे ले कैमरा ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस
मैम इधर इधर।
अरे सेल्फी लेता हूँ
सेल्फी
आपके
लो।
साथ में आ जाओ ये लो
ये लास्ट स्टॉप है मेरा, प्लीज ले लो।
आप ले लो।
आप ले लो आराम थोड़ा आगे आइए मैडम
ऐसे
ऐसे वो वाइड कर लो, वाइड
हाँ सी
यस
आई लर्न समथिंग।
लाइट बढ़ा दो
वो देखने वाला इधर कहाँ दिख रहा है?
इधर देखो
दिख रहा
आप देख लो ना।
अमरीन जी
मैम यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे
गाना कौन गा रहा है? वेट 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 वेट। आज मम्मी के साथ एक मम्मी के साथ आज आज आज
आइए मैडम आइए
आज
आराम से आइए मैडम सामने देखो मैडम
या बोथ ऑफ यू लुक सेंटर, बोथ ऑफ यू लुक सेंटर।
बादशाह लुक हियर
आज और यू
क्या बात है बादशाह भाई ये फोटो ले लो पहला भाई
तीन छोटे बच्चे के पीछे
थोड़ा सा हेलो
छोटा बच्चा
आइए कैसे हो मैडम हाय हाउ आर यू यस आइए इधर आइए मैडम लुक हियर यस
बैंड्रा गैंग
गैंग एवरी गैंग लुक हियर मैडम मुंबई इज एवरीवेयर नाउ उर्वशी इधर आइए ना, इधर आइए, इधर आइए, उधर लाइट बहुत है इधर।
नेक्स्ट मार्क नेक्स्ट
और इधर और इधर और इधर और इधर बस 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 इधर यहाँ पर देखो, उर्वशी जी,
यहाँ पे भी
इधर वापस दो मैडम। उर्वशी यहाँ पर
मैम यहाँ पे भी
That's why यहाँ पर देखो, that's why यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पर थोड़ा इधर आइए, that's why बिग फैंस, उर्वशी के फैंस बहुत है ना, उर्वशी जी मिलते नहीं आते,
वोटिंग भी नहीं होता।
विकी भाई
भाई नेक्स्ट मार्क भाई आरके का बर्थडे आज।
बस हाथ पकड़ना पड़ेगा तेरा। यस यहाँ पर देखिए,
रकुल जी नेक्स्ट मार्क।
नो पासिंग प्लीज। रकुल जी यहाँ पर,
रकुल जी शिवा को फोटो चाहिए, सेल्फी चाहिए।
रकुल जी यहाँ पे लाइन में देखिए।
मैम यहाँ पे देखिए, मैम यहाँ पे वेट लुलिया जी पासिंग में मैम यहाँ पे लुलिया थैंक यू
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मैडम। यहाँ पर देखिए, अलीजा मैम यहाँ पर, अलीजा मैम यहाँ पर, अलीजा जी मैडम लुक हियर।
थैंक यू। वेट
बाय मैडम, बाय। यहाँ पर देखो कुशल जी, यहाँ पर
Thank you.
भाई फोटो करते रुकिए भाई, यहाँ पर देखिए
भाई सामने।
थैंक यू ब्रदर। आ जाए साथ में आ जाइए। रुकिए साथ में फोटो करते हैं। हो जाए रुको आप उधर ही हाँ हो जाए
सर। हमारे बैंडर का
सर हम लोग करा देंगे, रुको। हाँ हो जाएगा, हमारी भी कास्टिंग हो जाएगी आज। रुकना रुक ये रुकना सर, आइए सर इधर सर यहाँ पर देखिए, बोथ ऑफ यू लुक दिस साइड। अभिषेक सर यहाँ पर देखिए, वेट परफेक्ट। यहाँ पर यस। एक रैप भी हो जाए भाई। हाँ हो जाए, एक रैप भाई। कल वाला अच्छा था, एक नंबर था। यस, एक नंबर और अच्छा होगा। हो जाए ना भाई इधर। यस, चली जाएंगे, हो जाए।
मैम यहाँ से कमेंट कीजिए ना, हम लोग को थोड़ा लेट हो रहा है इसलिए। हेलो, हाय हाय हाय। So the first time was my first stage performance ever with IFA, so I was very nervous. And this time also I was still nervous, but I think I had more fun this time. I was also dancing on some of my favorite songs of the year. I danced on Jhumka and Karan was sitting in the audience, so I think I just like fed off the energy of the audience.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was all of it. I was going to say the end, but that's not true. I think before I go on, I'm like, okay, I can't wait for it to get over. But then once it's over, I'm like, I wish I could do it all over again. I think nothing compares to the rush of being on stage.
And Shah Rukh is back on stage after so long.
Yeah. I want to go and watch it. I've only been seeing like quietly from backstage, but I want to go sit in the audience and just laugh and enjoy myself.
Ananya, I remember speaking to you last time when you said that you and your friends from the industry and you want to discuss about work and all yourself. Has it ever happened that Shah Rukh has watched any of your work and he has called you for free or complimented any of your work?
I think he's watched most of my work, I think, but my most special would be when he called me after Student of the Year and we had a long chat. That felt really nice.
Anything that you would like to share about the exact?
No, it was very cute and personal. I still have that message saved on my phone. I think I'm going to frame it one day.
Have you ever been given a tip from him?
I think with him, I've just kind of observed everything growing up, and I think more than an actor, he's an excellent, super, best actor, I think. But I think I've learned a lot from him as a human being also. He has this personality where he makes everyone around him feel so special and so warm, even though he's like the king. So that's something that's really admirable about him.
Ananya, the trailer of Kalyan,
Yes.
positive response.
Yes.
Takes into the world of AI.
Yes.
A while ago, we had seen a lot of celebrities becoming victim of deepfake videos. What are your thoughts on that?
No, it's very scary, and as public figures, our faces are out there, our voices are out there. So there's, I don't know how much we can safeguard. So I think it'll have to come from regulations by the government. I think that's probably the only solution. Faraz, Thank you.
मैं पिछले 2 घंटे से वहाँ पहुँचने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। सिर्फ 5 और मिनट। Kidding me? Come on.
Arshad sir, we are at IFA Abu Dhabi this year.
Yeah.
And we've seen a lot of movies. When we talked about movies last year as well, we see a lot of pan-Indian movies also that have come. What do you have to say as an actor about this language barrier being fizzled out?
Sorry, language barrier pirated. What do you mean?
नहीं fizzled out. मतलब वो language barrier निकल गया.
ये वाला? हाँ, नहीं मैं समझा नहीं आप क्या पायरेसी मैंने सुना from the movies. Oh, that is a very good thing. That is a very good thing. That should have happened long time back. Me personally ना मुझे जब भी कोई बॉलीवुड लॉलीवुड बोलता है मुझे गुस्सा आता है. मैंने कई लोगों को करेक्ट कर चुका हूँ, बोला कि भैया ये इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है और मैंने हमेशा उस तरह से देखा है. मेरे लिए when you have the whole country, we all are in it together, and that's how I look at it. My competition is with the rest of the world. It's not amongst each other, and that should not happen. And I'm so happy today that you have the entire fraternity, all different languages coming together and really making a movie. Like when I'm inshallah going to direct someday, I really want to cast everybody, whoever fits my role. I don't care the language; it's immaterial. It's absolutely doesn't matter.
2 minutes of your time, that's it, please.
Yes, sir, please, sir. Yes, 3, 2. Then this camera, please. Yes, 1, 2. Thank you.
Everyone is looking forward to your performance today. Does that make you excited or do you feel nervous?
Says it all.
Hi, how are you?
Congratulations on your award.
Can we just do it all together?
Yes. Can you please do it?
Congratulations on your award.
Thank you so much.
So when you receive that award, and you receive recognition for this role in multiple platforms, and when you look back at your time in those hard days, when you see those hard days on the flashback, and when you receive these kind of accolades for your research, do you think about those flashback memories?
I just think that hard days are part of life. I don't look at them and feel, oh my God, I went through that period in my life. It's a journey every person goes through in their life, and only when you work hard, there's a day when it comes in your life where you get some kind of acknowledgement. I think everybody's life is like that.
You seem to be emerging as a favorite antagonist in Bollywood now after Animals as Alpha, where you know you are reuniting with Anil Kapoor also.
I don't know, I can't speak about that film because I really can't right now at this moment. But
Bobby, do you think the industry is capitalizing on your villainous avatar that the audience is?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. क्या है कि जब से मैंने इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन की, जब आप जब रोल करते हैं तो उस हिसाब से आपको ज़्यादा तो उसी हिसाब के रोल मिलते हैं. So it's been happening since before, not just now. It's always going to be like that. It took me a tough time to change my image, and finally I've changed my image and I've done characters which are very different.
But there's been
what can one expect from anything is like, I hope you guys like it.
So you had a great moment with Shahid right now. You know, how was it to dance on your track?
It's amazing. Shahid is an awesome dancer, actor, and everything. He's a great, he's just good with everything.
So there's been belief that in Bollywood the villain era has ended. What do you have to say about it?
मैंने तो सुना नहीं, तूने कहाँ सुना?
Bobby Kapoor, do you think will bring a new villain?
पता नहीं मुझे ये सब चीज़ें. मैं कैसे बोल सकता हूँ? मुझे क्या मालूम जब एनिमल रिलीज होता क्या होने वाला है? मुझे नहीं मालूम था, तो पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. All of them?
Okay, sir, one last shot, please.
How are you? কি সুন্দর লাগছে দেখতে. Okay. Hi.
Excuse me, ma'am. From Raja Ki Aayegi Barat till now, Mrs. Chatterjee, how much do you feel cinema has changed the world?
I sure have changed. I was 17 then and now I'm like 46. So yes, there has been a lot of change. And of course, audiences have changed over the decades. And what is constant, I would like to believe, is their love for me. And I can't pray for more because the kind of love and support and the unconditional love that I've received from them over the years, that has kept me going. So I thank my fans from the bottom of the heart to help me strive harder and help me to keep bettering my skills.
Rani, you have such actors who are doing movies like Pichli, Mandani, Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway. Do you still believe that we need more female actors or we need more producers to back these kind of movies and make these movies?
Yes, I think also the responsibility lies on the audience. The more the audience will go and see these films, the more of these films will be made.
Says Adila.
Yes.
Ma'am, but do you think the audience has also changed with these kind of movies being, the kind of production that we've seen? We're seeing a lot more women-led movies and fantastic. Do you think the audience has changed?
Of course, like from time immemorial, we've seen films that Nargis ji have done, Madhubala ji and Nutan ji. They've all done films which were always very much based from the woman's point of view. So it's not as if it's the first time that something like that is happening. It's been happening through the years, through the decades. But every decade there will come a time where people will prefer a certain kind of film for some time. But it's not as if that's the thing that keeps going on. So the audiences are eclectic. They like a different spread of films and ideas and stories. And what I have seen with my experience is, you give an audience a film with your heart, and if you're true to the genre and the film, it works with an audience. So I think it's important to always choose a script. That's what I do because I can speak for myself. I like to choose a script that resonates with me as a woman first, as an Indian woman, something that I can play and show to the world that what Indian women are all about. Also a film that inspires and is aspirational because in our everyday lives, we need a story of a hero, to inspire us and to feel good about ourselves because we also want to better ourselves, with each day. So especially if I take Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway, for me as a mother, it was an eye-opener. For me as an Indian, it was an eye-opener to understand the plight of immigrant Indian women outside of India. We don't get to hear such stories. We do hear of immigrant stories, but this really shook me because it was about bringing up your children. And the question that was asked as to why an Indian woman can't raise her children the way she wants to was something that shook me. Because we all women are the same when it comes to our children. We want the best for our children. And no mother in her right mind would do anything which would be detrimental to a child's growth. So for me, that was shocking. It was an eye opener, and I wanted the story to reach as many people. And today, the fact that Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway is nominated, my character is nominated, speaks volumes of the fact that globally the film has been accepted, and people have not only related with Devika's character, but they've also given so much love, and that's why I'm here today.
Ma'am, as a mother, there's one quality you would like to follow from your character from Mrs. Chatterjee. One quality you like to like. What would those be?
So, Devika is very much like my mom. So I'm already imbibing qualities of my mom.
So we didn't get you yesterday. Sir, please. Sir, one bite here, sir.
जी मैं इधर ही हूँ जी हेलो hey what's up love the classes
what good performance
why is your mic like why do I have to hold your mic हाँ बस baby mic on it yes you want me to keep this here for you 1 second I am doing my first job for the day I'll get to you later all the mics are ready हाँ जी
Shai, it was a memorable performance for you.
poor thing she has waited for the mic to happen also only girls do this to each other huh
No. Okay.
Yeah.
Great performance. We watched your Instagram.
Thank
but
you so
tell me, so many people out there.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
I love it. I love being in a like a stadium full of people, and I remember like my first live experience was when I was like 15 years old and Michael Jackson had come to India and we all went to Andheri Sports Complex and I remember walking home alone. So for me it's like it's living your dream, being in a stadium full of people where you're the artist and you're getting to do it, and I actually really enjoy live performances. I love the energy of the crowd. I feel it's a very pure experience. There's nobody between you and the people. Otherwise there is a script and a character and a filmmaker and a marketing strategy and so many things between you and the people, when you do a movie. But when you're live, it's just you and them. So I find that always the most fun. So I had a great time.
Shai, you're also a crowd when it comes to live events. Sorry.
Shai, you are being loved for the dance performance. But was there any song in the Project Career which probably you found you felt was a little tough for you to get?
A lot of the steps actually, I remember when I worked with Prabhu sir in R. Rajkumar and he made me do Gandhi Baat and Sari Ka Fall. I just didn't understand what to do, because I had danced with Shamak and the rhythm pattern and the style and everything is very different. So I remember that was the first time I felt like I don't know how to dance, because till then I never felt like that, because I was a trained dancer. I had taught people how to dance when I was like 18 years old. So that goes to show that how every dance style is so different and how you have to adapt and change according to it, and yeah.
Shai, you are a crowd puller event. You are a crowd puller even at live events. We saw it in the press conference here. What? I mean, how do you do this? Does it come to you naturally?
बस मैं पैदा हुआ और ऐसे ही था मैं. Sorry?
Last time it was Ravina's tribute.
Yes, I really enjoyed doing that actually.
This time what was the theme, because we couldn't attend your...
Okay, so this time I performed on 2 of my songs, Akhiyan Gulab, which I've actually never done live, so it was great fun, and then Lal Pili Akhiyan. Then Kriti joined for Lal Pili Akhiyan, and then I did Muqabla with Prabhu sir. Then I did, which was that, Nahi Ho, Oh Nahi Ho, with Bobby sir. Because I loved seeing him in that song. I still remember him and Preeti ma'am wearing the caps and going, so got to do that with him. And then there was Nach Punjaban with Anil sir. So it was like a nice full act. She's actually a genius dancer. I'm not even 1% of what she is. So I'm just happy that I got some of her DNA in me. But yeah, I have grown up watching her dance, and she is, she's very, very special.
Shai, personally, which was your favorite act out of the 4 that you just mentioned on stage?
बेटा ये तो मतलब चांस ही नहीं है ना कि मैं आंसर करूँगा. I'm not very diplomatic, but इतना तो आता है मुझे.
Let's take pictures.
Hi. How are you?
I hosted yesterday, I lost my voice, so thank you. I hope you'll have a great night.
One about ISRK, promise. Just one question.
It'll be awesome, promise.
करते हैं?
Yeah.
हाँ.
You have been working in South industry and in cinema also. How do you look at the evolution that has happened of South cinema and the acceptance that they have started getting there?
Well, I think they always had the acceptance and they always had the popularity. It's just that it's become seamless now across borders. I think South cinema was always huge. A lot of people watched those films on Setmax and Sony Max, right? So there was always reach. But I think what's happened with the onset of OTT and with the digital revolutionization, that it's become one platform where you celebrate Indian cinema across the language barriers. So no language barrier, and I think it's amazing because for me that's really a matter of great pride. Yeah, we are shooting right now. Very good. Sorry.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm looking for my friend, yaar. Where is he?
Lakshya Mukherjee, please.
Hanji. Hello.
Okay, let's do this.
Yes.
Everybody has been talking about Kill. Now that it's a huge hit, but next, what are you going to do? It's again an action or something else?
I'll let you know very soon. I'm working on announcing it rightly, so give me a week or two. I'll let you know.
Just make it.
Very soon. Okay, all
It is known as the most violent film made in Bollywood so far.
Yes.
I know it's taken action a notch higher.
Thank you.
So you know what is what is it about your experience with the film that you remember the most challenging aspect of the film for you?
The entire film. I mean, what aspect was not challenging? Ask me that. And every day I used to come home bruised and swollen in different parts of my body. There came a point when I forgot which is the real bruise and which is the fake bruise because of the makeup and all. So yeah, the whole process was very taxing, but I'm glad that it all panned out very well, and I'm getting the recognition and the importance that I was.
Because it's your first film also to do something so intense.
I didn't choose this, honestly. It came my way and I just grabbed it. I was hungry and I just ate the biggest meal of my life.
Laksh, how was it with Raghav Juel?
Superb, yeah, he's a fun guy. He's one of our closest friends in the city right now, and it's amazing to work with him.
Wait, if you had to describe him in one word, what would it be?
Zindagi Zindabad.
An actress you would want to see, you would want to work with in the future.
Actress? Alia Bhatt.
Why so?
She's great, yeah. That's why.
How is it working with Dharma?
It's great, yeah. I mean, my producer is over there, so अच्छी बात ही बोलूँगा. No, I'm just kidding. But I think it's all the more amazing because I was supposed to get launched by Dostana. It didn't happen. There was a long wait, and throughout that wait, these guys were there. They held my hand. They let me go anywhere. They took care of me like my parents, and I'm so glad that they are my producers. Thank you. I was moving.
Yeah, Babu.
Quick shot, 3, 2. Turn look at the camera, please. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, sir, please. Yes. Let's go. All right. This camera, please. Right side. Yes. 1, 2. Thank you so much. This is right here. Thank you so much. Right here. What is on your wrist?
Excuse me.
You like watches, I know that, right?
Yeah.
You're a big watch lover. Thank you so much. This one?
Here's the watch.
Watch, thank you so much. Wearing a Rolex. It's called mint green Rolex. How मोता डालना पड़ता क्या करना खाओ.
So Vijay, according to you, if there is one actor today who represents perfectly the idea of being a star, who is that and why?
That gentleman is on stage right now, Shah Rukh Khan.
But why is it?
Why so? It's just I've had people fight over each other in families, in friends, close friend circles, girlfriends and boyfriends, and marriages are broken because one of them doesn't like Shah Rukh Khan or they say something. तो लोग लड़ते हैं उनके लिए एक दूसरे से. I think that is probably the highest form of stardom.
उनकी एक ऐसी कौन सी क्वालिटी है जो आप उनसे इनवाइट करना चाहोगे और आपको बहुत पसंद है?
वो he's a love magnet. I want to get some of that love magnet from him.
I'm pretty sure you got it, Vijay. You are also a love magnet.
Thank you so much.
Definitely. Vijay, but as I want to say this, you and Saman are on a high right now. And both of you guys are doing in terms of the success is amazing. What do you guys, when you see each other first, what is the first thing that you said? Are you guys the biggest critic?
No, not really. Also because she does such quality stuff. Like her song is such a rage, and it's set an example for a lot of people how to do it right. So there's not much room for criticism. That's it. So
Does she tell you something when she saw IC
she's a big. I think she's the strongest supporter of the show even before it came out, and she continued to maintain that stand. Thank you so much. Thank you.
द कल्ट जो है हैदराबाद
हाँ.
उसमें से आप आपको अगर फिर से वो रीमेक होती है तो उसमें से आप कौन सा कैरेक्टर करना पसंद करते हैं?
अंग्रेज का रीमेक पहली बात तो होना नहीं, क्योंकि वो जो कर दिए वो बेस्ट है. उसके साथ छिड़खानी नहीं करना. आई थिंक सलीम फेकू का करना चाहूँगा.
सर उसमें कुछ प्लीज अगर कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे.
मैं तो हैदराबाद का क्या है, उधर सब बहुत टाइम है लोगों के पास. आराम से बैठना, जाना, ईरानी होटल में बैठना, ऑर्डर आकर के मंगाना, खाना पीना, एक दूसरे के लंबी फेंकना. हाँ, 4 मीनार के नीचे जहाँ मौका मिला वहीं बैठ जाओ.
One bite, please. If I may, please. Thank you, sir.
Professor, you're Dr. Kenya, please.
What?
We have a fans in Nairobi, Kenya.
Kenya.
Yes.
Love you, Kenya.
Thank you.
So, Professor, if there is any actor in the industry that inspires you with on a daily basis, who would that be with their craft?
Oh yeah. Everybody inspires.
Professor,
Halal.
Professor, now that we're talking about Indian movies, when it comes to Indian movies, now we have moved from Hindi fraternity to becoming a pan-Indian state, pan-Indian nation. What do you have to say about this kind of transition and the...
Happy, very happy.
Is it a good time to be an actor right now? Or an actor?
Always.
Always a good time.
Always.
What do you have to say about IFA Utsav that happened? Yes.
What is what? Orange, you glad I'm here? Oh, great, fantastic. We had a great time and looking forward for a fantastic evening as well.
That's it. And Janvi will do it. Janvi will do it. Janvi will do it. Nothing.
वही तो देखने के लिए आए हम लोग.
So we last saw Tufan in 2021 after we've been waiting for a film from you. So why is it that there's a Tufan of that?
I am also waiting to say a film from you. It's not just you. I write my film, so there's a writing process involved to the making. So writing itself takes a couple of years, and then you make it. So that's why it takes more time. Say again? Vedant, you have to ask him.
Vedant, we need you as well. Vedant, we heard.
Yes. So we're still in early stage production. We're writing, trying to get the script perfect because he likes to say the 3 things that matter most for any movie is script, script, and script. So it's been fun.
Do you have any actors in mind for the film?
We have some that we've discussed here and there, but I guess you'll see someday. So working title, yeah. It's a very heart-touching coming-of-age story that hopefully rekindles the relationship people have with their parents and their loved ones.
Rakesh sir, what do you have to say to him when he's like he's getting into it? What do you have to say to him?
I don't have to say anything, I have to listen to him.
Every day, always.
Also, how critical is Rakesh as a, when it comes to, giving his feedback to your work?
He's critical, but he's the most critical of his own work. So you have to take his criticism on the chin, He's so critical of his own.
Rakesh sir, as a director, these days when we see movies, do you think we get a little bit critical as audiences as well? Because movies are made for entertainment. Are we forgetting that thing and looking for every single, message from movies? If getting too critical, are we looking into it too much?
No, I don't think so. I think the movies don't belong to us. They belong to the audiences. And they have 100% right to feel it the way they want to feel it, basically.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
First topic, we're just doing pictures.
New season of Bollywood Lives is coming back. What do you have to say about that?
I'm just saying that I'm very excited. There are 3 new wives and there's going to be a lot more drama. Just wait and watch.
Ananya told us yesterday that it's a very interesting season. So could you just talk some tea about it?
Can I be honest? I haven't watched it yet myself. And the thing is that I just know about the scenes that I have done and I'm a part of. The drama I'm part of. But what I hear is there's a lot more drama even beyond that. So obviously 7 women, what do you expect? It's not 4 anymore.
Bollywood Lives of
Bollywood
Wives has, even though it's showing a real peek into your life, there is a lot of acting or,
There is no acting. Trust me, we are very bad actors. It would have never made it to season 3 if we were acting. It is real. आप लोगों ने पहले season में बोला था टाटा bye bye if you had to act. Trust me. We can't act. Yes. Oh my God! When I watched Call Me Pay, I was thrilled because I think she's done a fantastic job. She's made the whole character which can, which can go any way, actually feel pleasant and enjoyable, and I think we are extremely proud of her.
Of course I have, and they give me so much love and respect. They always tell me very soon. It's almost happened a couple of times.
I don't know how much I'm allowed to talk about the film. It's round the corner, but it's scary. I mean, it starts with a lot of fun and you think it's all chilled again and it's very cool, but Control actually makes you think. It actually, once you finish watching it, you actually sit by yourself quietly and you wonder that, what are we living? Really. It's amazing. And Vikramaditya Motwani is a fantastic director and he's just made such a beautiful, relevant film.
This year in India, we saw a lot of concerts. I want to know from you, when can we have your concert in Delhi?
In Delhi, I just did one concert now.
When is the next?
Then very soon. Yeah.
So you are into filmmaking also. What do you have to say about it?
About what?
Filmmaking.
No, I do immersive films like VR, virtual reality, and because it's a new technology and it involves sound and haptics and all the stuff. Yeah.
And what about the role of AI in research now?
AI is just a tool. We use it in a way where it's beneficial and not. I think people love musicians more when AI comes.
So, we have seen how concerts have become a rage. Whether it's a Coldplay, whether it's AP Law, or whether it's the Sun. Why do you think this is happening, or is it just a trend?
No, concerts I think define love because you spend time, you dress up and you buy the tickets and show up because people realize what after COVID that what real experience is, right? And we for at least for a couple of years we thought it's not going to happen where people are going to be collectively. So I think it's Thanksgiving. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Abira, I love you. सब दे दो हाँ.
Okay, let's start with that's a magnetic mic.
So, you have been doing our job, Life
Yeah.
What is this?
Are you getting paid to do it? I am. Sorry, I should be talking to you,
Tell me, who did you enjoy the most talking to?
Oh, a bunch of people actually. My friends, Mini Kabir, Maria, Arshad, but also Kejo. We had a very long, very poignant conversation. Ramesh Sippy sir, actually bunch, Kusha, like I've had some really incredible conversations and I'm quite surprised myself that it happened in this space which is quite chaotic, but I think I have a corner, so I'm like, come in, just have this conversation with me already, and everyone's like, oh, these are all thinkers, you know, but I want to be able to like talk to them.
Shiny, you know, a lot of women-led films are being made today. Women are showing a lot of movies, great movies for that matter. I want to know how much justice do we do when we make, you know, women-led films in Bollywood?
Yeah, first of all, we have to stop talking about it like women-led films. There's no such thing. You have protagonists. Sorry. Hi, how are you? Oh my God. So good. I'm good. Sorry. Don't fall, yo. Sorry. Yeah. So please stop calling them women-led films. I think when, you know, for years men were, you know, sort of headlining films and nobody said, oh, men-led films, right? But you have all kinds of stories being told now, irrespective of the gender, which is amazing. But I also fear that in the name of representation, it shouldn't be wrong representation or just tokenism, because that's something that we have to be mindful of. But having said that, it's amazing that we are trying to be at least inclusive. Whether or not we succeed on, you know, that's something time will tell. But I think at least the intent is there, which is amazing. And also stories from all parts of India, all parts of, you know, not just urban but also rural, and all kinds of faces that you see now. So that, yeah.
You know what?
Yeah.
Do you think, you know, with the changes that we've seen, like, you know, more powerful folks coming into management, do you think the changes also coming behind? Like women are being
Behind the scene?
Behind the scene, is things changing for women?
Yes, they are. At least there's conversation with this entire thing of Hema committee, and you know, so there is conversation about it. I don't think, is it enough? No. But at least there is an awareness. And I always say that maybe if I were to work, you know, many years ago when things were not so formalized, now these days, you know, with the studio system and many other things that have come about, at least there are certain things you can't do, or, you know, people will think twice. So I think those kind of things are, and the only way is to hire more women in front of the camera, but also behind the camera. You know, fill your rooms with, you know, why will you not have not just you know, writers, but all kinds of HODs and technicians and everyone. So, and that you see, you know, when you walk into a room or a set now, there are so many more women than it used to be. Because earlier, you know, all these senior actors would tell you only your hairstylist and the heroine and the heroine's mother would be the only women on set. And now it's no more the case, which is what is required. And also in your writing rooms. यार वही तो है ना अब मतलब see I am on a very like I've always been extremely stringent about things that people who I work with and things like that. A lot of times I've been told you're being stupid, but I know as a human being it's important to me. I do not work with people who've been accused of Me Too, and that's a stand I take a lot. And I not lose, I won't say lose, I don't do it. So it's not a matter of, oh, I wish I had done it. So, you know, a loss is when you feel a regret. I don't feel no regret. But having said that, it's also interesting because I see a lot of other people who I know who seem to have the right kind of politics go do those roles. So I'm also at this stage where I'm like, I don't know, am I wrong? Or, you know, I'm also going through that process. But again, I have to sleep well at night. And I love to sleep. So it's important for me.
I love your performance in Call Me By, you know, Anamika's, Madhulika's role for that.
Yeah.
I want to know that, you know, the situation that your character goes through in the show. Has there ever been a situation like this for you in real life where somebody influential has tried to...
Oh, thank God it hasn't, you know, and I would like to think that it's grace and just God or the universe looking out for me. It hasn't, but also I'm very like, I don't care who it is. If I feel unsafe, I would get out of that, you know. So yeah, I'm very thankful it hasn't, but I obviously know that it happens to so many people, and you know, every day there's so many new cases that come out and come into the light of day. But yeah, but it's a very important sort of track in the show and an important thing to speak about, especially in a show like that, which is commercial, which will be seen by so many people, etc.
You know, like she said, after a point of time when we stay with her, what do you think, according to you, should be done when this talk to be there?
Just being accountable. And the thing is that accountability will only come when we hold each other accountable, No change can come from one individual, and change will never come if we are only looking at convenience. Convenience come in the way of accountability, and convenience being, whether it's power, whether it's money, whether it's work, whatever, And again, everyone operates from a different space, but...
यहाँ खड़ा रहूँ, ठीक है, okay.
So, Kabir sir, firstly, Chandu Champion was loved by the audiences.
Thank you.
And but somewhere the film was still not critically that acclaimed. So, what is going wrong with you as sports dramas, because you're the same guy who gave us Chak De.
No, firstly, I'm not the guy who gave you Chak De. The character was named after me, Kabir Khan. That was Shimit's film. No, but I think, for me, it's about being able to deliver a film that I truly believe in, something that I passionately believe that this is a story I want to work on for the next year. And then I do a lot of research and, bring that story to life. And with both 83 and with Chandu Champion, these are two films that I should always be very, very proud of, because it's connected very, very deeply with the audiences and kind of love we continue to get from it, the appreciation we continue to get for it. Just 2 days ago, the gold medalist from the Paralympics, spoke at a platform and said that that's the film he watched while going to Paris, and that motivated him. I mean, what more can I ask for, as a filmmaker? I think that's the kind of appreciation one really seeks out for your film.
Is there something you can tell us about Karthik? How was working with him?
It was lovely. I think Karthik is an extremely hardworking boy. The kind of commitment he gave for this character especially was unique. It's not easy to commit 1.5 years of your time and then learn skills like boxing and swimming and then do a body transformation or that.
So you've worked with a lot of stars. Who is that one star you think that you enjoyed working with?
Oh, I've enjoyed. See, for me, the process is very important. The process, the journey of making the film is extremely important. I've enjoyed working with all of them, whether it's John, whether it's... I can't choose one person and say who do I enjoy the journey. I enjoyed the journey with all of them, and they're all spectacular actors. Whether it's Ranbir or Salman or Karthik or John, or Arshad, Irfan, Nawaz. I mean, these are people I've really enjoyed working with. Katrina. For this particular role, it was his youthfulness. I needed the character to, be depicted from the age of 18 to 25, and I just felt he had that youthfulness, he had that naivety of a son of a soil who then turns on, goes on to become a world champion, and he had it. And I decided that I want to work with him for this. Thank you. Thank you. Ji.
सर आजकल प्री-रिलीज का कल्चर चल रहा है
Just ahead.
सर आजकल प्री-रिलीज का कल्चर चल रहा है, लेकिन अगर आपको शोले कभी फिर से बने तो आप और 2 एक्टर्स को उसमें दिखाना चाहोगे?
अमिताभ बच्चन एंड धर्मेंद्र.
बट जो नए जनरेशन के एक्टर्स,
अमिताभ बच्चन एंड धर्मेंद्र, उनसे बेटर कोई हो सकता हो? तो हाउ कैन आई गिव यू 2 names? अमजद खान.
We've seen a lot of movies. Now, when we say Indian movie, right, we speak about Indian movies from across South, and
Everywhere.
How do you think that changed, this change as a filmmaker at this point of view? What do you feel of it?
I think it's wonderful. All across the country, from Mumbai to Tamil Nadu, with Hyderabad and the Malayalam industry also in between, and to the east, Bengal. Everywhere there are filmmakers making very good films. They have always made, and I think they're an inspiration to each other. The South at the moment is really running hot and coming up with lots of wonderful films, lots of wonderful material, and it's an inspiration that Mumbai, you better catch up.
So you've seen a lot of stars back then as well, But if you have to define stardom in one actor in the recent generation, who would that be?
Ranbir Kapoor.
And an actress?
Alia. Right.
Any particular reason behind this power couple?
They're just too good. I mean, they've taken the right opportunities, they've been offered the right opportunities, and they've taken them and made something of their own, added so much of their own personalities into it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Nora, please.
Nora, please. Nora.
Hi. Nora, thank you.
I hosted yesterday, I lost my voice. So